Welcome back to another video on our channel. In the previous video, we transformed this Porsche 996 by fitting it with a wide body kit, a roll cage, brand new interior, a full paint job. We fabricated some aero bits for it like splitters, side skirts, canards, and more. And on this episode, we're going to be driving it along with 4 other builds to a car show to check out some of the builds there. So with that said, let's dive right into the video.
Alright, we're headed to Driven this morning. So we got the whole fleet out, probably for the first time ever, all together. We got Spencer with the brand new 996 that we just finished with the miles work wide body kit. So this will be the first time everybody's seen it. We're taking the Slant, we're taking the EVO, we got a Supra that we did a bunch of stuff to, and then we got a friend that's gonna roll with us in his M3. So here we go, we'll see how we do today.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stopped sitting down. Yeah, on a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane.
We're at the Driven show, and we just want to walk and check out. Actually, we should check out our cars first. They're getting a lot of attention.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, it's glorious.
You know, we have a few
This
things.
thing looks so good.
This is the freshest one, hot off the press.
We still have a bunch of
We
changes
have a
or
bunch of
things
stuff
to
to
do.
finish, but-
yeah, for now, it looks glorious. Slantnose is here. Let's go on an expedition
do
and
it.
see what
Where we
builds are
going?
here.
Let's start with this guy.
I think this looks fantastic.
I love it. It's super clean. I love this guy.
I mean,
Right now, you're in our top 3.
yeah,
Nice.
Please do.
Yeah.
If you want any more information, feel free.
Cool.
yeah.
Huge precision turbo, obviously.
VR6.
Yeah, looks good.
VR6.
Oh, ooh! You're just walking past the Urcon. Come on,
Come on, man. Everybody's got one of these, don't they?
that's what internet makes
The
us think.
internet makes us see.
What's wide body?
I like this, the flush mount grass.
Yes.
Pretty standard setup. Got the LS.
Oh, it has an LS. Oh. Have you seen this?
This caddy?
No, the black.
Oh, the Camaro. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I don't know. I like the blacked out look. Oh, is it twin turbos? Oh, this is so awesome, dude. You don't need a jack or jack stands
No,
with these.
that shit is crazy. I used to have a Regal on hydraulics.
Oh, you did?
We used to do a bunch of this stuff back in the day.
Oh, mini trucks.
Mini trucks and airbag systems.
That is amazing.
This was the jam back in the day.
Yeah.
Mini Truckin' Magazine. I used to be there every month, buy it religiously.
Wow.
The evolution continues.
Yeah. What do you think
Oh.
about the anime Supra?
That's sick.
Would you wrap your car anime-ish?
Probably not. But I appreciate the fact that they did.
Yeah.
If you're gonna do it, man,
Go all out.
you might as well go all out.
A nice pillow too. What do you think about these guys? Ooh.
Oh,
Oh.
the one that got away.
Yep.
GTR.
Yeah, there's a
GTR,
lot of GTRs here.
This I can get behind.
Vipers. That looks so good.
We need one of these in the fleet.
Yes. Comment below if
You
you
should
want us
be
to
the
get this
guy.
as a project car.
Yeah.
Huh?
You should be the guy.
The Viper. Dude.
I spoke to her earlier. This thing's super clean.
Oh, it's her.
Yeah.
What? This is amazing. This is the first time I'm seeing one in person.
Yeah.
Like with the I
power
don't even know
top?
what this is even called. Dude, this is this is sick.
Yeah, this thing's cleanish. I can appreciate this car.
So awesome.
There's a lot of effort into making that look that clean.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we almost walked past these.
Twin turbo R8. C8 by our friends at Fantasy. It's got the LB kit on it.
Oh, look at that thing.
The
What?
928.
What the? Is that a Lotus 7?
Half of a Lotus 7.
Oh, I just saw the engine. What?
I got more excited about that.
Oh, the 928.
What, the phone dials?
Oh, that's awesome.
We're about to hit the Honda spot, so be careful.
Yeah, I have the video for evidence in case anything happens to you.
People start, you know, I might have to put somebody down today. Oh,
look at the meats up
Civic
here.
with the laptop.
Hi guys.
You're the 1,000 horsepower guy.
It'll do anywhere between 600 to 1,000 plus.
Wow.
The question of how much we need.
600 to 1,000.
Yeah, he's probably into it for what, 6,500?
Yeah,
You're into it for like 6,500 bucks?
How much? Yeah, how much are you into this for actually?
Oh yeah.
If you don't.
Come on, let's hear it.
A little bit more than that.
That's what the internet says.
Yeah.
When they're like, you can't build it for that.
Right.
That's sick,
The
man.
setup is a fully built dart race block. That
Oh,
was
it's a
built-
dart motor.
Yeah,
Oh,
it was built
shoot.
in Texas.
Okay.
At Inline. So it's a 2-liter dart block on the bottom. We've got CB pistons, billet rods, dart sleeves on the bottom end, ARP head studs, Cometic head gaskets, and then if you look carefully, it's actually a stamped and dined sport front wheel drive race head.
Nice.
From an Integra Type R. CNC ported. What else we got? We got titanium ballast beams retainers, Type R cams, 3-inch intercooler piping, 66mm turbo.
Everything.
See? There you go. That's what it takes to make 1,000 horsepower.
Yep.
We're hoping to trap into the 140, 150 mile per hour range. My goal with the car is to try to run like a 9-second pass and then drive it home.
And it's still front wheel drive?
It's still front
Dude,
wheel drive. Yeah,
that sounds terrifying.
You see the reflex on there, right? Yeah.
Yep.
It does really well with these slicks so far, but we're gonna have to wait and see with a little bit more testing to see if at this power level, if it's gonna hold it, and if it's not, then we're gonna have to make the adjustment to an S1 all-wheel drive kit. Right?
So awesome.
That's nice.
Yeah.
2JZ.
Oh, dude, minivans.
This is what Spencer needs.
Oh, VIP build.
Too much VIP in this. There's no
Oh my
room for
gosh.
people anymore.
Yeah, true. That's amazing. Yo. Oh, it even has a scented candle thing in there.
The essential oils.
Oh, and then C4 Corvette with
Come on,
TJZ.
man. Look at it.
It looks
It
awesome.
looks like a 4x4.
I know, but
No.
still a cool swap.
These literally look like the stock wheels for this car.
And that's what I said too. But they're rotiforms. I was like, oh, rotiforms.
He's got to lay this thing out, man.
And that's what I told. Yeah, he's gonna do that. Like
He's got a little too much tire on this bad boy.
he wants to get it running first. Oh, one of my favorite cars here. 240Z with S15 front and rear end and an RB25. This is an R35 chassis with an R34 body on top. So cool.
You did too good of a job. I walked right by it earlier.
Everyone does. That's the goal.
Yeah, it's nice, man. Good job.
Oh, I love this thing.
Stagia?
Stagia,
Stagia?
RB25. Datsun 620 with the GTR front end.
I'm more excited about the Kuwahara in the back. I like these.
Yes,
Man, these Vipers.
I know. Oh, that one has a full roll cage and stuff in it.
That's the big boy.
Like a track one. Another Tesla with a wide body.
Oh, a racing Tesla. I've never seen a racing Tesla.
Oh wow, it has a whole roll cage in it too.
The cage.
Oh shoot, like a panel and everything. Oh wow.
You know what we should do? We should walk around and see how many sets of T37s we can count.
We walked around some more, checked out some more cool builds, filmed an episode of our podcast, Modified with Trick Factory Customs. Check it out in the description below. And then it was time to give awards to the best builds at the show.
Best in Show Mercedes is a 1990 Mercedes 190 owned by Tim Legon.
All right, again.
Best in class Porsche is a 2002 Porsche Cabriolet owned by Tim Lejeune. And don't go far, Tim, because our best in show Porsche goes to an 01 Porsche Coupe owned by Tim Lejeune. Apparently, Tim likes his Porsches. Best in class Toyota is a 95 Toyota Supra owned by Tim Lejeune. Tim's going to need a bigger trophy case by the end of the day.
It was pretty cool. All the cars we brought to the show won awards. And with that, the show was over. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.